Packing details. Quick start guides. The antenna. This is the power supply. Product details. Insert the SIM card. Please pay attention to the direction of the SIM card. Connect the antenna. Connect to the power. The SIG light is turned on. Press the SW key to turn on the lamp. Make sure the SIG light is flashing before sending a text message command. Send the turn on command, SN0000 on. Make a phone call to turn off the light with the controller. Demo of power outage alert. You will immediately receive notifications from the SMS when the device loses power.